Hello everyone, I'm Arjun Korimela. I'm 18 years old and I'm a sneakerhead. So right now, my favorite pairs are the Off-White Blazers, the Ama Mania Air Force Ones, and my 380 Aliens. With the Blazers, I definitely think that this is the best colorway of the Virgil Blazers, and this is one of my favorite shoes that I think he really did a number on, and he changed the entire look of the shoe with the swoosh on the midsole, and just everything about the shoe is just very beautiful. So next we have the Air Force One, the Ama Mania Air Force One. I love 3M accents, which I can't actually show you, but hit me up on my Instagram. I'll send you the video. It's insane. Like, I love this pair, and it has a suede midsole, which hasn't been done by Nike since the Cause Force, which is one of my favorite shoes that I want to get. So definitely with the shoes, the color blocking is amazing. The materials are too good, and I think I got a steal on these. So I obviously the prices aren't very high, but I definitely paid a very good price, and I'm very happy with this purchase. So next we have my 380 Aliens. My 380 Aliens are basically my go-to shoe if I want to go anywhere. Like, if I want to go to the gym, I just wear these. If I want to go for a walk, I just wear these. They are so comfortable, and obviously you know that Yeezys are like kind of dead now, but the 380s, they are definitely killing it with them. So to style my sneakers, I don't usually go very overboard with the styling. I just wear my shoes with joggers or with shorts or whatever. Definitely these look very good with shorts. Also Air Force Ones look very good with shorts. And I don't know about the Aliens. The Aliens, I wear them with like track pants and Adidas tracksuit, something like that. But the first two, definitely I just wear them with a pair of shorts because obviously it's summer now. So you can also wear them with pants, but I just wear them with shorts. So the best way to educate yourself about sneakers is probably to join a very good Discord or your regular Instagram pages, but a Discord will definitely help you the most because they give you like drop times and everything, and you can at least have a chance to get your sneakers at retail or whatever. And plus most Discords will probably have a want to buy want to sell section, so you probably will be able to get your sneakers from your Discord. Just make sure to get them legit checked. So what do I think of the Indian sneaker scene? The Indian sneaker scene is definitely very young and very new, but people are finally like starting to take notice of popular sneakers and stuff. And obviously, the Jordan ones and Yeezys are like very popular in India right now. And obviously, the Air Force ones have always been popular. So I feel like it's definitely growing and it's gonna be very huge in the coming years. So my one tip for new sneakerheads and everybody getting into this sneaker scene right now is don't be afraid to buy used pairs, because I bought this pair used and I don't regret it. Paying a lot of money for a new pair, it makes sense, but at the end of the day, if you're getting a very clean pair for a good price, I don't know why you would say no to it, because at the end of the day, shoes are meant for wearing. And if you're not a reseller and if you're not holding the shoe, then buying dead stock shoes, especially hype shoes, is it just seems a little redundant.